Let's learn how to create a teaching task. The first thing you'll see in the teaching task portion of the tasks section is a list of the 29 different task templates. You can filter this list by choosing a writing type from argumentation, informational or explanatory, or narrative. And you can further filter by choosing a text structure. In this case, we'll choose argumentation and analysis. You'll notice now that our long list of 29 different task templates has become only two, task templates 1 and 2. These are the task templates that pertain to the argumentation writing type and the analysis text structure. Look at the tasks carefully and decide which task template you wish to use. Let's use task template 1. To select task template 1, simply hover over it and click. You'll notice now that we have our task template 1 and some of the text appears red, italicized, and underlined. This text is the editable portion of the teaching task. These are the sections that you can edit in order to create your own teaching task. So, let's choose what we're going to have the students view. What these informational articles and videos will be about, the product we wish them to produce, and what we want them to argue. We can also opt into added levels of rigor. You see here L2, be sure to acknowledge competing views, and L3, give examples from past or current events or issues to illustrate and clarify your position. If we wish to add levels of rigor to our module, and they exist for this task template, then we can add them simply by clicking on them. When we're ready to save our teaching task, we can click Save Teaching Task. It's important to note that at any point during your module, you can come back and reword your teaching task simply by navigating back to the task section and editing any of the portions of the editable text within your teaching task. Let's click Save Teaching Task. Now that we've saved our teaching task, let's say that we want to switch templates. We can switch templates by clicking the Switch Templates button here. Something that's important to note at this point is if you've gone on to add standards, customize the skills and instruction, or make any changes beyond the teaching task section, clicking Switch Templates will result in you losing some of the work that you've done. So, it's important, if you're going to switch templates, that you think about doing so now. Think very carefully about whether your teaching task is exactly the teaching task you wish to use for your module. Remember, you can come back at any point to edit the wording of your teaching task, but if you switch task templates, for example, if you switch from task template 1 to task template 12, you will lose some of the work that you've done after this section. But if you wish to, and you're sure, click Switch Templates and you can start creating your teaching task all over. Let me show you how this works. Click Switch Templates. When we click Switch Templates, you'll see we're brought back to the long list of 29 different task templates. You can once again follow the same process that you did to create your original teaching task from the original 29 now.